Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're doing a VR accessory review for your Meta Quest 2 headset. Today we're looking at this all-in-one controller attachment made by ZyberVR. As you can see here, it comes in 3 different pieces that you can use for games like Golf Plus, Mini Putt, Beat Saber, fitness games, all that kind of stuff. This one really is all-in-one. It retails for $49.99 on Amazon.com and on their website, ZyberVR. I will link both of those below in the description if you would like to check those ones out. So in this video, we are going to unbox this right from the get-go. I will show you how to assemble it. I'm going to use it a little bit, and then I will give you my review of it in the end. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, make sure you do that as well. I'll link that playlist below. But let's jump into this one. Alright, here's the box that came in the mail. Like other Zyber boxes, nice and sleek there. Just open up on the top. Here we got our user manual for the fitness extended handle. A lot of information in there. We got a nice pouch. Let's open that up quick. Nice soft material, and inside you're going to find a few more little goodies there. I actually dropped one off the edge. There we go, one of the little weights there, it looks like. And then inside here we have our 3 different parts to this one. Alright, so in order to attach these to your controllers, the first step that you need to do is on your controller, open it up and take out the existing wrist strap, and then you can continue to use that cover that you've got on there. And then on the inside of here you can see L's, and so what we are actually going to do first is you take this one that has the L on top and you just line it up so it's just to the side of that crease line there. There's little grooves right here that are going to fill in there on this, and you just push it till you hear that little click, and then you're good. It's locked in there. We'll do the same for the right controller. So it's on the far side, just to the side of the little crease there. That filters in there and clicks, and you're good. There we go. Now if you wanted to, it looks like they have some wrist straps that you could add to the bottoms of these if you would like. We got a little Velcro strap as well that you could use for golf games or things like that. And here we have a middle piece as well. So with this middle piece, I'm going to open this up. And you can use this in 2 different ways. You can attach them both together by simply screwing it in and screwing this side in. And now you have them connected. Or if you have just one of them, you can put this end cap on, and this can be for a golf attachment. Now you have a nice long golf club attachment, and you can use that as well. And then also inside of the bottom of each of these controllers, you can twist this out, and it's going to have these little weights inside. And so you can either leave them in or take them out depending on what you want for what you are doing. Maybe if you're playing a golf game, you want to leave those in so you have a little bit more weight to your controller. Maybe if you're playing like a ping pong game and you want this little paddle, you'll take them out because you don't want as much weight, because ping pong paddles don't have that much weight to them. So again, those are just in the bottom of each of these, and those just simply screw out there. You can see them all there. And then we got the nice carrying bag for everything as well, that you can keep it all nicely in one place. So I'm going to go and use this a little bit on a few different games, see how I like them, and then I will come back and give you my review on them.
1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go!
So playing them with Beat Saber is a lot of fun. Just a quick note that it is easier to accidentally clash your controllers, hit them together when you're playing with extensions. I didn't do that here, but with other extensions I have in the past. Just a quick note, but it is a lot of fun. Here I am also playing Golf Plus. Golf Plus with this in the golf mode is a lot of fun. It makes it feel more realistic, like you're actually swinging a golf club, not just holding a controller. It's not quite as good as just their standalone golf handle extension, but if you're looking for something that can do more than one thing, this is great for that. You can add the weights in there to make it feel more like a golf club. And the material itself is the same material that a golf club is made of, that nice grippy silicone, so that is awesome there. In terms of other pros, I like that you can that it allows for multiple modes, right? You can change it into 3 different ways. You can have just the short handles, then you can combine for long handles all the way across, or you can have the golf club mode as well. And I really do think it enhances the gameplay for a lot of these games. I like the ZyberVR way of clipping in these accessories and how it's easily changed with other ZyberVR accessories, or just easily taken off. You're not having to unscrew anything or do anything like that. Their clip-in method is awesome. I like the option to add additional weight. It's not built right into the controller. You can control how much things weigh, because maybe for some games you want things lighter, other games you want things heavier, so that is an awesome feature there. I like that it also comes with wrist straps. Even though the handles are very grippy, you never know, so you can attach those wrist straps on the bottom so you don't accidentally throw your controller. And it comes with a nice felt bag for storage. Nice little touch there as well. So in terms of cons, I don't really have any for something like this, coming in at $49.99. Being able to do everything that it can do. If you're looking for an extension, it's great. So I will link the Zyber store and Amazon.com below. On the Zyber store, if you use the promo code Brian Sloan, you should get 20% off of your purchase. That'll actually make the handles go down to about $39.99, which is an awesome deal that you can find there. If you haven't checked out my other VR accessory reviews, I got some from Zyber, got some from some other companies. Make sure you check those out. I'll put that playlist link on the screen right now so you can see that. Thank you for watching this one with me today. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Brian Sloan Artist.